In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs portrait mode. If your document is currently set to a different page orientation and you want the traditional vertical layout, Google Docs makes it very easy to change. Portrait mode is the standard format most people use for letters, school assignments, reports, and general documents, so this is a useful setting to know. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're inside the document you want to edit, because the page orientation setting applies to that document. Once the file is open and ready, look toward the top left corner of the screen where the main menu bar appears. From there, click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with several document options, including settings related to printing, layout, and page formatting. If you've never changed page settings before, this is where you'll find the controls you need. In the File menu, click on Page Setup. A small settings window will appear on your screen. This is where Google Docs lets you adjust the page layout for the document, including paper size, margins, page color, and orientation. For this tutorial, we're focusing only on the orientation setting. Inside the Page Setup window, find the Orientation section. You should see two options there, Landscape and Portrait. Click on Portrait. Portrait mode arranges the page vertically, which means the page is taller than it is wide. This is the format most documents use by default, and it's usually the best option when your content is meant to be read from top to bottom in a standard document layout. After selecting Portrait, click OK to apply the change. As soon as you do that, your Google Doc will update to the portrait page orientation. If the document had previously been in landscape mode, you may notice that the content shifts slightly to fit the new layout. That's completely normal, so you may want to quickly review the page afterward to make sure spacing, images, or tables still look the way you want. And that's all it takes to make a Google Doc portrait mode. Open your document, click File, choose Page Setup, select Portrait, and then click OK. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks and prints. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.